Hello, I'm Tina. This is day 2 about servlet and JSP tutorial. And before we continue on talking about servlet class and the configurations, I want to explain some terminology which you may feel confused. Okay, the first one I want to share with you guys is 3 terminology you are seeing through the video, okay, screen, like J2EE, JavaEE, and Jakarta EE. You may heard all of them before, and what are they? This is today's topic, and let me switch to OneNote so I can write the thing. Okay, like this. Good. So, generally speaking, all those 3 terms refer to the same thing, just a different name, and they all refer to a set of enterprise specification. Okay, because for any language like JavaScript, they're gonna have a specification. If you follow the specification, then a specification is kind of the rules. You have rules set for specific language, but they are not implemented like ECMAScript, ES6, ES5, ES6, ES7, ES8. They are all rules about JavaScript, this language. But JavaScript itself is actually you can use to do something, right? So J2EE, JavaEE, Jakarta EE, all of them refer to the specification, enterprise specification. And why do they have 3 names? Is because over the time, like they are moved out from the core and cause those issues. So let's talk about a little bit of history about Java. Okay, so let's create a table. Is defined, okay, like this probably, and name. Okay, so in January 1996, okay, this is the first version of Java comes out, and at that time, this enterprise specification like a servlet, JSP, those are part of the core Java. A part of core Java. Then in Java 2, okay, Java 2 is released in December, I think, if I remember correctly, 1999. Okay, I did some work. This is Java 2 was released, and in Java 2, the enterprise specification is moved out from the core Java, then renamed as J2EE. J2EE, sorry, enterprise application, okay, edition, and all called Java 2 platform enterprise edition. Okay, and this name was used until May 2006. In May 2006, Java 5 was released, and then Java 2EE was renamed to J2 Java 5. Probably I should follow the pattern. Okay. Here Java 5 was released, and J2EE was renamed to JavaEE, but they are referred to the same thing, just a specification. And when I started learning Java, at that time it's already Java EE. So actually, I didn't use J2EE a lot. And something happened in 2017. A big things happened, right? I think most of you guys probably heard about that. In September 2017, at that time, Oracle decided to give the rights of the enterprise specification to Eclipse Foundation. Okay, but the Oracle still owns the Java brand, and because I think it's a copyright issue, okay, Eclipse Foundation cannot use Java. The same thing happened to Eclipse, right? And the same thing happened to JavaScript, because JavaScript they cannot use. So for the specification, they use another name called ECMAScript. Okay, that's why JavaScript also has two names. Anyway, Eclipse cannot using Java, the brand. So the community, they either probably purchase probably too expensive, or they choose another way, is give another name. So the community voted or picked Jakarta. Okay, so from 2017, JavaEE is being named to Jakarta EE. Okay, that is that is how it happened. Okay, so all of them just a different name used in different time. And talking about, let me extend a little bit. Okay, this one I didn't do a little research. Okay, and all other time, probably here you start from 2017. Okay, they are using Jakarta servlet, and for others we are referred as Java servlet. Okay, current version of Jakarta servlet. Can I see? Okay, current version of Jakarta servlet is 5.0, and they also have an 5.0. They also have another version is 4.0, but 4.0 I didn't see a lot of even from the specification. It's empty. The specification of Jakarta Jakarta EE specification is empty after I downloaded it. It has several pages, it's a content, but the actual content is empty. They only has a 5.0. Okay, I might talk more when we talk in another video when I want to show you the Tomcat and the servlet compatibility. Then you will see another table. Anyway, that's it for this video, and hope you after this video you understand those terms, okay, clearly. And in the video's description, I also has a link which has my kind of like a blog. I put it in a GitHub repository. If you want to see again, you can click that link to find what I described here. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.